Home Assistant versus Smart Life. Choosing the right smart home platform can transform your home automation experience without added complexity. Both offer unique approaches. Home Assistant provides deep customization, while Smart Life focuses on ease of use and broad device compatibility. Home Assistant and Smart Life are two popular smart home platforms. Home Assistant is an open source system emphasizing local control and customization. Smart Life, on the other hand, is a cloud-based app designed for straightforward device management and quick setup. The core difference lies in control versus convenience. Home Assistant is an open-source smart home platform that runs locally on your hardware, such as a Raspberry Pi or a dedicated server. It integrates with thousands of devices and services, allowing users to create highly customizable automation tailored to their needs. By running locally, it offers enhanced privacy and reliability, as it doesn't rely on cloud services for core functions. Its strengths include extensive device support, powerful automation scripting, and community-driven development. However, it requires a steeper learning curve and some technical knowledge to set up and maintain. Ideal users are tech-savvy individuals or enthusiasts who want full control over their smart home ecosystem, prioritize privacy, and enjoy customizing every aspect of their automation. Smart Life is a cloud-based smart home platform designed for simplicity and broad compatibility. It works through a mobile app that connects to a wide range of smart devices, including lights, plugs, cameras, and sensors. The platform emphasizes quick setup and ease of use, allowing users to control devices remotely from anywhere with an internet connection. Its strengths lie in user-friendly interfaces, seamless integration with popular voice assistants, and a large ecosystem of compatible products. However, because it relies on cloud services, it may face latency issues or outages, and privacy depends on the cloud provider's policies. Smart Life is ideal for users seeking a hassle-free smart home experience without technical setup, especially those who want to control devices effortlessly via their smartphone or voice commands. Comparing Home Assistant and Smart Life highlights a trade-off between control and convenience. Home Assistant excels in local control, privacy, and deep customization, making it perfect for users who want to tailor every automation detail and avoid cloud dependency. However, it demands technical skills and time investment. Smart Life offers quick setup, broad device compatibility, and easy remote access through the cloud, ideal for casual users or beginners who prioritize simplicity and mobility. Yet it depends on internet connectivity and cloud reliability, which can affect responsiveness and data privacy. For example, if you want a secure, offline smart home with complex automations, Home Assistant is the clear choice. If you prefer plug-and-play devices with minimal setup and remote control via app or voice assistants, Smart Life fits better. Choose Home Assistant if you value privacy, local control, and customization, and are comfortable managing a more technical, hands-on smart home setup. Smart Life is the best choice for users wanting an easy cloud-based smart home platform with broad device support and simple remote control. Whether starting out or seeking convenience, Smart Life delivers reliable, user-friendly automation to enhance your everyday living.